Hello, my name is Gladys. My friends call me Gladdy. Tonight I am cooking pork sinigang. Pork sinigang is a sour soup um, soured by tamarind or powdered tamarind. I don't have the real tamarind, so I'm just gonna use the powdered tamarind. So here we go. Okay, I already cut the pork and put some water in a pan. Um, okay, I'm just gonna turn the fire on. I'm gonna put some onions here. So, some onions. Look at this. Bananas for $1.99 at Costco. Organic bananas. Okay. Now let me get a knife. Cut this off. Usually I would put tomatoes in there, but I forgot the tomatoes. Okay, just half of these onions. Let me put that there. It's hard to take this off. Peel the outer layer. Okay. Why is it so hard to peel this off? College football is on. And I was watching the Ducks and the Cougs. My son went to University of Washington, and the Cougs, and their football team is called Cougs, the Cougars. So I'm rooting for the Cougs. Okay, there you go. Just cut these. Put it here. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, that way it will boil faster. And this is what I use. I use Mama Sita's sinigang sa sampalok. Sampalok means tamarind in Tagalog. There you go. I'm just gonna use probably one of these, and if it's not sour enough, I'll use two. And I have the baby bok choy for your vegetables. And the taro root. It's really good. Okay. So I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna use all this bok choy just because when they get steamed, they shrink. Okay, just gonna wash each one of them. I wash each leaf. That way you don't get seeded. It's really bad bacteria. All right. Now I'm gonna peel this taro. Today here in Washington is very rainy. I went to Costco today and there are a lot of people there and it's just so rainy all day. All day. Pork sinigang is a very popular dish in the Philippines. We eat this all the time, especially in the rainy days. Yep. Look at that. Look at a baby. This is like a potato, but it has a different texture. This is called taro root. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a few of that because that is really good for pork sinigang dish. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now we'll keep on going. Okay, seven. Oh no, eight. So I will save the rest of these. Okay. Okay, it's almost gonna boil. We're gonna boil that for a few minutes because we want it tender. We usually use fish sauce for this dish as our salt, but for those who, you know, doesn't like fish sauce, you can use salt instead. You have to have the acquired taste to this. But this is really good. It wouldn't be popular if it's not. So today is Saturday. I have been working for the past 3 weekends every Saturday because we are so short at work. So I haven't been cooking. I have been buying foods that are just, easy to just heat it up in a microwave for my two grown kids. But they can take care of themselves. But sometimes it's nice to have a home cooked food. So today I told them I am cooking sinigang and I bought some prepared bulgogi. They're still raw, but they are marinated from Costco, and that is for tomorrow. And I will also cook some noodles for tomorrow because I have people who's gonna come over. So I was thinking of doing a video for my luxury bag, uh, especially for my what's in my bag when I use my Montsuri PM, and that way I can concentrate only on that bag. Although I have another bag that I want that you haven't seen yet, but I bought that also. It's my YSEAL bag, but it's really a wallet bag. But I haven't seen any reviews. Well, I have seen one, but not a lot of reviews on that bag, a crossbody bag. So I will make a video about that because I am excited to wear that this coming holidays. Okay, it's starting to boil. So this is pork and it has some fat, and what I do when it starts to boil, I open it, boil, I open it and I skim the fat on the top. That way we wouldn't be eating the fat. Okay, let's take a look. To take this thing off. I just put it on the lid. Well, there's not really a lot of fat, but let's see. So we will boil this for a few more minutes or simmer it because it's still not tender, I can tell, and they're big chunks of pork. And I have a place for this in this. That's where I put the skimming of fats. I have a little cup here, like a black cup for the skimmed fats. Okay, let's simmer that. So after this is already tender, I will put the taro and then boil that for a few minutes until it's also soft but not mushy, and then I will put the tamarind or the powdered tamarind, and then I will also put the vegetables, and that should be it. And I will, of course, gonna take a picture of the finished product. And I'm gonna use a fish sauce. This is a fish sauce. This is the brand that I use. It's in a glass bottle. You can get this at an Asian store. You can use any fish sauce. I'm wearing the pink, and my pants is from Nordstrom rack, or I guess Nordstrom, and this brand I really like. It's kind of a little spendy, but I got it for maybe $40 at Nordstrom rack, and the brand is Kut. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's K-U-T, and I really like it. Let's see. And I slip on. I love these slippers. I slip on. This is the Adidas one. My feet hurt sometimes because I have plantar fasciitis. Yeah, I know. I'm getting old. And this wooden floor, because it's the hand scrape pattern, it's not flat. It hurts my feet sometimes. See? Because of the hand scrape pattern. So this slip-on is a savior. Very soft. Adidas. Adidas. Okay, let's see. Okay, a few more minutes. I want it to be really tender. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. All right. Please click thumbs up if you like it. My name is Gladys. I hope you subscribe to me and to my channel. Thank you. Good night.